Okay, this is a 1.5 ton unit, 2 horsepower capacity. So existing is R22. You can see the level here is about 930 gram of refrigerant. Okay, so before you carry out any changeover, make sure you recover the gas using a recovery machine, and you take the actual weight of the gas. How much is the gas in this required in the system to achieve suitable superheat. So a lot of people messaging me, how do I obtain the right temperature for the system that is for superheat. Okay, today I'm going to show you. Okay, here we have gas pressure, and there's a temperature range. There is a saturated temperature of the gas. Okay, and the other one, you need a probe here to the suction line to check what is the suction line temperature. So you subtract that differential, you get superheat. So so what is the right superheat for the system? Okay, the range should be around 6 degree Fahrenheit to 14 Fahrenheit, depend on the pipe length from this connection here to the evaporator coil. Okay, so this system, okay, let me shut off. Okay, this system is currently is about 75, 76. So the suction line temperature should be around the range between 45 to 65 Fahrenheit. So now I'm getting 74, 77, 78, 77, okay, Fahrenheit. So the gas, that means the gas pressure is not enough. So we still need to top up refrigerant up to the design charge, which is 930 gram. Okay. But of course, here the compressor is using mineral oil, so you will need to change that to suitable oil that is using for R407C. So you take out the compressor, remove the oil, the mineral oil, and flush the system. Make sure there's no mixed refrigerant inside, no mixed oil, because the characteristic of the mineral oil and the synthetic oil for polyester oil for the R407C is different, so it cannot be direct charged into the system without changing the oil. So as for the expansion device, this is a system using capillary tube. For a small system like quarter ton, 1 ton, 1.5 ton, 2 ton, or 2.5 ton, and above, using capillary tube expansion device. it 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 should reach the design superheat, then you get the right cooling temperature in the room. Okay, that's today some explanation on the this R407 retrofit. Okay, and because of the gas is not enough, so once we need to tune it up to around 70 psi, then you get 60, below 60, depend on the system pipeline. Okay, thank you.